Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can find referral code on Temu. It's pretty simple. You want to click on you at the bottom of your screen and then you want to click on earn credit and free gift. Now, if you don't see this option, you can go inside address and make sure your address is set in United States. If you do that, then only you will get the option earn credit and free gift. From over here, scroll all the way down and you will see the option called the refer and earn. Click on refer and earn. From over here, you want to click on invite new app user. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will see the option called copy code. Click on copy code. If you click on copy code, basically your code is going to be shown to you. So my code is 84940747. So if I give this code to my friend and he creates a Temu account using this code, then basically I will get a chance to spin this wheel. And if I spin this wheel, I might get a chance to win $100, $1 or anything random. So that is basically how you guys can find your referral code. And that is basically what referral code does for you. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future Temu videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.